Hi everybody, happy week 28 for health class. This week is going to operate a little bit differently as far as when you need to turn things in and the process behind the assignment for the week. Yes, it's still laid out in two parts for what you should accomplish earlier in the week and then what you should accomplish later in the week, but you can't do the second part if you don't do the first part first, okay? Because it builds on itself. So let me explain part one first to you. So what you're going to do is you have three different articles all about vaping. You pick one. You are not doing this for all three articles, only for one, and you get to choose which article you want to learn about, which one you want to read, things like that, okay? Whatever article you decide to focus on, you're going to annotate it. This is part one for the week. So what it means to annotate, I'm going to click on this annotation guide and open it up in Schoology. What it means to annotate an article, okay? The first thing you're going to do is you're going to number the paragraphs. So for every new indentation, for every new paragraph, you're going to give it a new number. So starting with number 1, 2, 3, 4, all the way until the last paragraph in the article. The second thing you're going to do is you're going to mark the text with symbols as you read. So yes, you have to read your entire article. That's how this assignment works. And as you're reading it, you're going to mark the text. Anything that you think is an important idea, as you're reading it, put a star next to that important idea. Underline key words or key details. So, for example, your article is going to be about vaping. Well, as a hint, anytime that you see the word vaping, that's probably a key word. So you should probably underline vaping as a key word. There will be other keywords too, depending on the focus of your article, but for sure it will involve vaping. Circle any words that are unfamiliar to you or that you don't understand. So maybe it might be like a medical term and you've never heard that medical term before. Go ahead and circle that word. Put an exclamation point by anything that you think is interesting. Anything that you're like, oh, that kind of surprises me, or oh, I didn't know that. Put an exclamation point by that. Question mark by anything that you don't really understand. So any questions that you have, like as you're reading, you're like, wait, how does this happen? How does this occur? Why does vaping do this to the body? Put a question mark by that. And then an arrow by any connections that you have. So maybe you know somebody who has a similar story to something that they share in the article. Or maybe you're like, oh yeah, we talked about that in class. Any connections, you're going to put that arrow. And then this last piece here, this 3 and 4, this is going to be on the outside of the article. So all of these details up here, you're going to do in the text of the article. You're going to put a star by a line or a sentence. You're going to circle the actual word, underline the actual word. But for 3 and 4, you're going to do it on the left-hand side or the right-hand side outside of the actual article itself. So number 3, you're going to write little summarizing statements. So like if one paragraph was all about vaping trends in a school, well, then just write that, school vaping trends, in the side so that you can remember what that paragraph was really about without having to reread the article again. Number 4, write comments or questions in the right margin. So just using both sides. I'm not going to be picky about what side you end up writing things on, just so you guys know. But then like any little tidbits or any little questions you have, you're going to write those on the side. This is your part 1 for the week, okay? Annotating the article that you choose. This will lead you into what you have to do for part 2 for the week. So this has to be done by the next class period. If you're a distance learner, it means that it needs to be done by Thursday. If you're a kid who comes in the building, whenever you have health, whether that's on Thursday or Friday, this needs to be done by that point if you're not in school with us on Monday or Tuesday because you're at home or things like that. Okay. Part 2 for the week then is where you take your article and you take your annotations to help you create a one-pager. So this is worth 12 points, so it is a little bit of a bigger assignment, which makes sense because it's taking up the whole week. So your vaping article one-pager. Here are some examples of what a one-pager can look like. Right here and right here. These are on different topics. They're not on vaping, but it gives you an idea of what we're going after as far as what it should look like and how much thought and how much detail and how much work should go into it. I'm telling you right now, this is not something that you just throw together in under 5 minutes. This requires a little bit more time, a little bit more thought, a little bit more effort on your part. Again, that's why it's worth 12 points. Okay, most of our assignments have been around 5 or 6 points. You're doubling it with this one. The first thing that you're going to need is the title. So the title of your article, whatever it is. Do not write vaping article number 1 or vaping article number 3. That's not the title of your article. That's how I labeled them. So please make sure that you put the actual title on your one-pager. Ms. Rainey, where are we doing this one-pager? Okay, I forgot to say that. You can do this either in Pic Collage or you can do this on an actual paper of your choosing if you'd like, or poster of your choosing if you'd like. But those are the options for how you can get this done. You're not doing this in Notability. You're not doing this in Notability. Okay. Place 5 essential vocab words or keywords from your article. So those would be the things that you circled that you thought were keywords and that you underlined as you thought were keywords as you went. Draw 3 visual images or symbols to represent the information from your article. So think about what your article was about, what 3 main things was it about? Okay, now how can I create symbols based on those things and put those symbols then onto the paper, those pictures then onto the paper, onto my Pic Collage, onto my paper. Write 2 quotations from the text and explain how those convey the author's main ideas. So out of the entire article, you have to pick 2 sentences from the article that you think are the most important sentences out of everything else. And you're going to write those down and make sure you put quotes around it because it's the author's words, not yours. And then the last thing you're going to do is you're going to create a unique symbol or symbolic border around the document. Okay, so you can see on both of these, they have a border that goes around. They have a border that goes around. This one was about sharks, so they made the border look like a bunch of waves. This one was about the tectonic plates and how the earth shifts in different directions, so they have different arrows and how things shift as their border. So they both created unique borders that related to what they were learning about. Your border needs to relate to what we are learning about. Okay, a unique symbolic border. Again, you're doing this in Pic Collage or you're doing this on regular poster paper. Again, this is not something that you're going to throw together in under 5 minutes. A lot of detail, a lot of thought, a lot of organizing, a lot of color, a lot of creativity is going to go into this one-pager. If you have any questions, please let me know. Do not wait until the last second to ask me. Ask me in advance. That's your job as a student, especially if you're choosing to do this at home. Okay, so please, please, please let me know what questions you have. My job is to help you. So if you're confused at any point, reach out to me. But otherwise, this is the idea. This is the theme. This is the assignment for the week. Otherwise, have a wonderful week 28. Bye.